वेलकम बॅक फ्रेंड्स. तर फ्रेंड्स, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 111 डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेन्सेस बघणार आहोत, जे तुम्ही तुमच्या घरी वापरू शकता. ओके. आणि फोकस ऑन द इंग्लिश सेंटेन्सेस फ्रेंड्स. मी मराठी सेंटेन्स पण दिले आहेत, पण शॅडोइंग करा माझ्याबरोबर. शॅडोइंग काय असतं हे मी माझ्या एका व्हिडिओमध्ये सांगितलं आहे, जे तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये पण भेटेल. ओके. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम फ्रेंड्स, चला आजच्या व्हिडिओला आपण सुरुवात करूया. वेक अप, इट इज मॉर्निंग. वेक अप, इट्स मॉर्निंग. Are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? Don't rub your eyes. Don't rub your eyes. Take a bath. Take a bath. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. Wear this. Wear this. Get ready quickly. Get ready quickly. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Come for breakfast. Come for breakfast. You are getting late. You are getting late. Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes. Take your bag. Take your bag. Open the door. Open the door. Close the door. Close the door. Open the window. Open the window. Shut the window. Shut the window. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Switch on the light. Switch on the light. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. Help me. Help me. Where is the towel? Where is the towel? Give me the towel. Give me the towel. Pack the tiffin. Pack the tiffin. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am hungry. I am hungry. Eat a little. Eat a little. Have some tea. Have some tea. Drink the milk. Drink the milk. Clean the house. Clean the house. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Wipe the floor. Wipe the floor. Clean the dust. Clean the dust. Wash the clothes. Wash the clothes. Hang the clothes to dry. Hang the clothes to dry. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Study daily. Study daily. Do your homework. Do your homework. Is your study done? Is your study done? Keep everything in order. Keep everything in order. Where are you going? Where are you going? Someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. Guests have arrived. Guests have arrived. Bring some water. Bring some water. Invite them in. Invite them in. Ask them to sit. Ask them to sit. I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. I am cooking food. I am cooking food. Serve him right. Serve him right. Give me one more. Give me one more. Give me chapati. Give me chapati. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. Serve the food. Serve the food. It is hot and fresh. It is hot and fresh. The food is tasty. The food is tasty. I have finished. I have finished. Wash the lunch boxes. Wash the lunch boxes. Clean the plate. Clean the plate. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. It is time to sleep. It is time to sleep. Where is the mattress? Where is the mattress? Keep the pillow. Keep the pillow. Take the blanket. Take the blanket. Good night. Good night. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? It is raining outside. It is raining outside. Take the umbrella. Take the umbrella. Come here fast. Come here fast. Sit quietly. Sit quietly. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Did you play? Did you play? Stop using the mobile. Stop using the mobile. Do you understand? Do you understand? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't fight. Don't fight. Behave well. Behave well. Come on, let's play. Come on, let's play. Let's study. Let's study. Clean the table. Clean the table. Open the fridge. Open the fridge. Give me a plate. Give me a plate. Come quickly. Come quickly. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Don't rush. Don't rush. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. I am leaving. I am leaving. Come back soon. Come back soon. Take care. Take care. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. I am busy with work. I am busy with work. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want to ask something. I want to ask something. Did you like this? Did you like this? I like this a lot. I like this a lot. You are very nice. You are very nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. Don't worry. Don't worry. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. ओके सर, तर हा होता आजचा व्हिडिओ. आय होप आजचा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल आणि आजच्या व्हिडिओमधून तुम्ही काहीतरी नवीन शिकला असाल. असेच व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी फ्रेंड्स माझ्या युट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बाजूला जो बेल आयकॉन आहे त्याला पण क्लिक करा. तर जेव्हा पण मी नवीन व्हिडिओ टाकेल तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन भेटेल. ओके. थँक्यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स. टेक केअर. बाय बाय.